It's off now. Oh no, it's on, it's on, it's on, it's on. Yeah, that's the way to do it. It's pulling, it's pulling. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. My name is McGrath. So I really wanted to show you guys the footage from the Florida trip. I went down to Florida May 2nd to May 6th for a wedding, and when we got down there I found out that we were going on a fishing charter. So I brought a GoPro just in case for this reason. If I wanted to film anything, I didn't bring any other cameras, I didn't bring any other equipment with me, so I only had the one GoPro and I think like 2 or 3 batteries. The whole reason I really wanted to post and show you guys this video was the potential of the fishing we had could have made an entire great video. So, and this is an experience that it was literally a bucket list fish of mine to get on a Goliath grouper, and we got on. I'm not even gonna tell you guys, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the clip. All right, so we started off the day by throwing pretty much almost like a ginormous drop shot with like 4 or 5 hooks on it. I don't even know what the rig was called, but that's how I'm describing it from a bass fisherman. So no bait on the hooks. We're dropping down about 50 feet in this shipwreck area. We're going for Goliath off the back, all at the same time with ginormous cut bait. All right, guys, so this was 3 weeks ago, and I've been back and forth about this video if I wanted to post it or not. So I'm finally getting around to it because I think it has great potential, and I want to know your guys' thoughts if I should go back down here on a sponsored trip. I follow the action to do this exact fishing. So we're fishing for kingfish, Goliath grouper, and we're catching our bait. So what happens when the first Goliath hooks up? I grab the rod, and I've never felt a fish pull a rod that hard. I mean, it was literally this indescribable feeling of pulling that fish up. The only problem I had with the entire day was I thought the hooks we were using for the Goliath grouper were not big enough. I mean, I know nothing about them, but just like from seeing a bunch of videos and just like I've seen a ton of videos on Goliath grouper. I mean, Black Tip has done it, John B, Perrick, they have done it. We hooked up to 6 Goliath grouper. I'll let you guys watch the clip, but my only problem was the hook size. I truly thought that we should have been using a bigger hook to get it up around their lip. I mean, if you've ever seen Goliath grouper's mouth, you really got to get it up in there to hook these things. They are smart fish. All right, so I'm gonna roll the rest of the footage and let you guys see how the day played out. Big shout out to Plain Hookie's Charters down in Florida. I would go out with them again. She was so cool. She said her husband usually runs the charters, but she filled in for today, and she did an awesome job. She worked her ass off, and she really got it done for us. I mean, it's not like she didn't get us on fish. The only thing that's weren't hitting were the kingfish, but we had 6 opportunities. We couldn't get it done. They said their success rate, as you guys heard, was 1 in 5, so we had 6 on. So I guess we broke those odds, but they're so hard to catch. It was an awesome time filming this video. I'm glad I brought the GoPro. I'm glad I did this because I want you guys to see what the potential could have been for this Florida trip. So Bryce, I might have 2 on. This one feels a little bit better, or it's just that weight. Oh, I got 2 good ones. Perfect. Oh!
Somebody go get it!
Here, take this. It's off now. Oh no, it's on, it's on, it's on. It's on, it's on. my God. Dude, this is fucking huge. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It just popped off. Dude, that felt huge.
If it's pulling straight down, tighten the drag. If it's pulling out, leave the drag loose.
Yeah.
A shark runs. A Goliath doesn't.
Okay.
Goliath goes straight down. That's what it was doing. It's going straight down.
You said Goliath, dude.
Nice, and I just lost it.
That was definitely a Goliath because it wasn't running.
Ryan, go ahead.
Oh, he may be gone now. Is he on there? That's a hook. There you go. That's a grouper. Take that drag.
I just did that so I didn't tangle your line.
Did you lose it?
Yeah.
Dang it.
Ryan, keep reeling. The same thing happened to me and he was still on.
No, dude, I mean, that thing's ready to pull me on the water.
Here, Corey, just keep reeling. I will not go over on that side of the boat. There you go, there you go. Oh, shit. Go under me. Reel. Watch your tip, Corey, that rod. Don't get tangled. Play it. It's like...
It's not on it.
Yep, click that, push that back. Yep.
Keep it going, keep it going. Dude, we got this, bitch. Keep reeling.
Oh, this is fucking cold.
You alright?
You got that video camera going, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't fucking hold the phone.
Reel. Reel down, reel. If you want, pass it to Ryan for a fresh hand. No, he's on. He's still on. Ryan, keep reeling. Watch the slack. What is this? Dude, this thing's gonna be huge.
Coming up?
Not yet. No color yet. Wait, let me tighten it a little. Okay, go, keep going. Keep going, Ryan.
How long do they fight these things for? Someone hold this up, man. Just fucking play.
Keep reeling. Are you serious?
Pull my rod, you crank. Here,
Tom, I'm gonna strap you up.
Alright. Here, will you do this thing?
Tired. It's pulling.
Oh. No way. Yeah.
Dude, I'm pretty sure he would get real close here, and then he'd just go.
Oh, damn. He snapped it.
He must have got you guys in the structure. You guys are fighting in the structure. He went down into that and
He pulled it in.
Wrapped the line around it so it broke. Yeah.
A grouper, but it's something good. Oh fuck, he's like all the way under the boat. Is it off?
Yeah, it was phobia.
Fuck.
The hook and everything? I think that falls in the corner here. Right there. Oh, that's a corgi.
Can I take this off or is it
Yeah.
gonna fuck me up? Alright guys, drop a comment. Let me know if you guys want me to go back down to Florida to film a video sponsored by Follow the Action. Please remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.